an account on WEBTOON. Today guys, I will show you how to log in or create account on WEBTOON. Just follow this video till the end. Open WEBTOON first. It will open directly here on this page, on login page. So here you will choose by what you wanna log in. For example, me, I wanna log in with my Google or my email. I will just click and I will choose my email after that. So I will choose one from here. I will click on it and it's loading. And then you just have to click on submit, or before that you have to agree. Click submit. And it will take you to this page. And right now, congratulations, you create an account, easy and quick. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and